This is the Google Smart Light Starter Kick. I said, I don't know. The Google Smart Light Starter Kick. I keep saying kick like I'm kicking. Let's try it again. This is the Google Smart Light Starter Kit.
Thank you. I'm blushing on the inside.
Yeah, thank you. Google Home is pretty awesome. So I'm just doing a really quick video of it. You know, you guys can see my numbers. I think what it says is you can read it. You get a Google Home Mini. I already got one, and a GE Smart Bulb. And I think this is a really cheap way to get started doing the smart thing. Yeah, I just wanted to do it. You know, what a bright idea. Let's look inside this box. Let's look at it. Let me see if I can get this open. If I can for you. Yes, here we go. Here we go. Yes, what do we have here? Let's dump it out. Come on out. See, I'm trying to do this one-handed. I need like a stand, but you know, I'm like gymnastically incompetent. So, I got a smart light and a Google Home Mini. So I guess you just, okay, what does it say? For every room, optimal daytime light, Bluetooth enabled, dim or brighten instantly. Oh, so it's Bluetooth. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna plug it in and see how good it looks. And if it works good, I'll let you guys know. But this is what it is. Hope you don't see my nasty. You know, let's put it where I could put it real quick. I could have put it on the hardwood floor, but it just looks good. Get to see what it is. All right, talk to you all later. Have a great one.